Rain all a fall for me. You can right me tell me you say don't fight for me. Love your one another come together and do right for me. You keep up your calling get for you so you be there for me. Wonder, where for me. Barbella, beware. Walk kill Rasta, can't kill Rasta. Walk kill Rasta, but them can't kill Rasta. Walk kill, but them can't kill Rasta. Emperor Selassie, I am free. You know what I'm doing? Them twin power, then they put in fire on the federal plaza. Judgment, right past island higher. See the fire, not shrub, liberty water. Them coulda never stop me, but bobbing in a young summit put in fire. Burn the courthouse higher. I stop the Brooks and the man tomorrow. Loving and going to office. Africa is a civilization. Where intelligent man and woman come from. Give up to the world, but a solution. Like agriculture for the civilization. We never know that man no ammunition. We need the road to the overrun. Building the people education. So my ancestors the most permission. I may not play with it. I may want the place with it. So that I can deal with it. Yo! What I tell them, sir? You want a piece of it? Alright, put on there. How we not play with it? Me want the place with it. Put a nice and live with it. And you go like you stay with it. Never go and stay with it. Go on, yeah. God and I jump on them friends, say them taking it. But if they taking it, yes, we will be breaking it. Like this will. You better get it. Pull it up. Pull it up. Yeah.
Run it again. Best with everybody in the place. Best of all themselves. Tell how they come from the Toda man. Run it again. Yeah.
I zoom in.
We got conscience, break the violence, the holy war. Necessary, by any means legendary. Stop it them, kill it. Stop from kill one another. Live loving, come together. You must prosper. What I say? Know your roots, know your culture. You know, they say in my father's house have many mansions, you know. It's love, you know, let your rise and all enemies scatter. And them that also hate him flee before him. As the smoke is driven away, so shall drive them away. As the wax melted before the fire, let the wicked perish before the presence of Jah.
Rastafari.
Just be glad. Sing praises unto Jah, sing praises to his name. Exalt the name that rides upon the heavens by the name of Emperor Haile Selassie. Father of the fatherless and the judge of the widow. This Jah in his holy habitation. Hear that? Blessed love. Every house, one love, yeah? One more piece. Yeah, man. Gracias. Now let's go. These youths, we don't deal with the fuss and fight. We tell the youths them to live good and, you know, unite. Oh, blessed love. Haile Selassie, Jah!
Holy Emmanuel, Haile Selassie, Rastafari. I'm so hurt. Come and put down my ganja, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my wrist lock, can't find where me put it down. Locked up in the prison. And Babylon say, me can't get none, but I still getting some. I still getting some. Ask Bojo, and ask Cartel. Sit down in a penitentiary. You see me sit down in a FDC. Go ask the Wada. Me no eat from morning, but me need me ganja. Yes, we need me ganja. Go ask Subby and ask Maggie. And me sit down in a FDC. Sit down in a FDC. And them bringing my visit back for me. And the ganja neatly. I same place me make it, baby. Cause I'm so hurt. Put down some ganja, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my wrist lock, can't find where me put it down. So hurt. Cause me put down my ganja, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my wrist lock, can't find where me put it down. 1,000 pound a herb and what me got up in a dem a react. See me in a me turban and me cocky and me hat. When me touch the city, well we fix up that. If Babylon a come, well we have to get flat. Some of them 16 and some of them black, but me slip right past them and reach all my spots. After that me count money non-stop. So much money full of barrel and a box. I'm so hurt. I me put down me ganja, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my wrist lock, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my ganja, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my lighter, can't find where me put it down. Ganja on the main, no. Up on the plane, no. Ganja in a carrier, me say ganja on the train, no. Good marijuana, what me want up in a me brain, no. Me no want no crack nor cocaine, no. It's like the more me burn the weed, the smaller the spliff tail get. But me no fret, me burn the chalice yet. Me turn to the east and step. Like when me select, the wicked man run out of breath. I'm so hurt. Me put down some ganja, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. Cause me put down my wrist lock, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my lighter, can't find where me put it down. I'm so hurt. I me put down my ganja, can't find where me put it down. The good old cannabis, you know me got to have this. in the morning time, all in the noon time, in the night time. And who no see it well, them blind, and they no love mankind. Them never yet divine. Seek and well you go find. Knock on the door, well it answer set time. I the Selassie is mine. Rastafari so damn divine, I'm so hurt. Cause me put down me ganja, can't find where me put it down, I'm so hurt. Cause me put down me Rizla, can't find where me put it down.
Inside job, yes, it is an inside job. It is an inside job. Listen, hey, you can ring and soap, cover and scrub, polish and shine and see that you be job. And it's a cheap and it's
Wadi Gad.
sign of it like it's in the job. Yeah, it is an inside job, an inside job. Happiness, it is an inside job. Listen, so enter inside and you must have it pure. Your work of it clean, you must have it impure. In a dirty work strength right now go for bring that out of it, say out of me door. Outside, polish inside, rotten to the core. Them is not clean, I know them not pure. Happiness, it is an inside job, an inside job, my friend. Happiness, it is an inside job. Hey. Every day you get up in a clean clothes, and they pull up of your dirty clothes. Every night them heading down the wrong road, like their burden is the heaviest load. Happiness, it is an inside job, my Lord. Righteousness, it's an inside job, an inside job, inside job. It is an inside job. Rasta into the job. Hey, listen, hey. You can rinse and soap, cover and scrub, polish and shine and still not do the job. And it's not cheap and you steal and a rubber. One person has a sign of the love, it's in the job. It is an inside job, my friend. It is an inside job. Happiness, it is an inside job, my friend. Righteousness, it is an inside job. You don't want to be clean, you don't be only one fool. You don't want to be clean, you don't be function, not this like a big function. Simple property and not donation. 12 function, not this like 12 function. Moving man, you're outside. Say, see me, you're here, I and I. Say, yes, Levi, you have the win. What? You the man, article spirit. Yes, I saw Jabba illumination. Yes, the villain, you tell you, man. What? Say that, man, it's moving with that. Yes, Shaman, say my lover. What goes? Imagine me. They telling me what they want. Get mine, Shaman. Sorry, see? Donkey. I'm a still. Yeah, it's a 12 function. Yes, and it's a function now.
The hospital brother calling me. They was going to carry him for emergency surgery. Hey, back for my dead boy. I feel back for dead boy. I feel back for dead boy. He did tell me come down, you know. He did tell me come down to talk to him before he go into the surgery because he say he hear him.
Yes, last year I run the track for Virgin. Yeah, man. Unity is strength. That strength is what we need. See? Iron sharp with iron. So one man shot with the countenance of his friend. Yeah? No compromising this time. See? Organized and centralized. Unity, strength, and strength is what we need. We want it in word and in deed. Yeah, man. Selector! Alright, this one. That's my desire. Every time. Don't listen. Precious! All of you. Lot of mercy, mercy, mercy. I've tried my best to live my life in the best way that I know is right. All I see is pain and strife. I've tried my best to live my life in the best way that I know is right. Every day. Oh, Jaja, you are my heart's desire. You is who I require. Jaja, you are my heart's desire.
I find what it resembles Sister Dinah.
I've got to live a grind in just right, but I know that destiny.
Yeah, that must be related by the four parents far back. Yeah.
I've got to live a grind in just right, but I know that destiny. And He's the Lord of my life. Sing with me. Jaja.
Yes, ma'am.
You are my desire. You are my require.
Oh my God, where Wadi?
You are heart's desire. One I require. Every day I live and pray. I give thanks and praise to Jah for all the things He done for us. For sure, every day I kneel and pray. I give thanks and praise to Jah for all the things He's done for us. For sure, Jaja, you are. Don't lose your soul laughing after vanity. Don't let me think what that little behold you. Think what that little behold you. Don't let the devil console you. Rastafari and fool you. Don't let me think what that little behold you. Think what that little behold you. Don't let the devil control you. Rastafari and fool you. Let me tell you now. The rich man's wealth is in a strong city. The destruction of the poor is in their poverty. The righteous wealth is in his holy place. So Trinidad youth, don't put your lives to waste. What that glitter behold you. Think what that glitter behold you. Don't let the devil control you. Rastafari has school you.
Bam, bam.
What that glitter behold you. Think what that glitter behold you. Don't let the devil
Control you. Rastafari school you.
The rich man's wealth is in a strong city. The destruction of the poor is in their poverty. The righteous wealth is in his holy place. So Trinidad youth, don't put your lives to waste.
Tough. Bop, 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 bop. Control you. Bam, 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 bam. Big tune, big tune.
Yeah, I think that's playing now. That's me.
Never miss someone shine. I'm gonna do it right. Yeah. Till I have to try it. Oh, yes. Let me get my words right. I'm gonna approach you. I'm gonna treat you like a man is. And if I have to cry, oh, I know everyone can relate to when they find that special someone. She has the quality of a queen, yeah. She's a queen. What a natural beauty. Don't need no make beauty. She's a queen. So the queen. I know you want good man made of. She's not afraid, no ashamed of. That's who she is, I know the king and the queen girls inside, so I can never leave inside. She's taking me to the friend, and she says she don't mind, 'cause right you know good man is hard to find, and she ain't nobody trying her line. She doesn't have no time to this time. Again, I know many men are trying, but she needs to be more than everybody else to sing now.
Balance between the man and the woman are moving as a team. A woman is a very important part of the scheme. And cause thine own face is shine upon us, thy children, that we shall be saved and redeemed. O thou most high God, Jah,
Rastafari.
my Lord and Empress. Give thanks for the moment, give thanks for the joy, give thanks for the honorable African unity, who stay with the community. We see the love. We give thanks to the other royal house of 12 tribe of Israel.
Yeah.
We see the strength and we see the cooperation. We give thanks to the house of my opinion. We see the cooperation and the art of unity. We give thanks to the brotherhood of Christ who came and fellowship with us. We give thanks to the Honorable Royal Ethiopia African Black International Congress, Church of True Divine Salvation. So my Lord and Empress, we celebrating the 94th anniversary of the Imperial Majesty coronation, which is so significant even as we move into the 21st century. Because when His Majesty got crowned, He made the Empress get crowned on the same day, which didn't used to happen in Ethiopia. So on the 2nd of